This is a brand new 2013 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.7-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sport suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, traction control and stability control systems, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, huge 22-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, dual power seats, cruise control, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, performance tires, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and the leather seats provide great support and create an overall luxurious feel. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking vehicle.
Phil Long Ford at Chapel Hills is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1565 Auto Mall Loop in Colorado Springs.